Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our today's topic Windows 7 working with file and folder. In this class we will discuss about the how can a file or folder work, how can we store a file and folder, how can we rename, how can we delete to them. First we will discuss the meaning of the file and the folder. A file is stored in a file stores our work in the computer system. A file stores any kind of the information in or data in it. A file can be different, it can be text file, it can be audio, video or images files are there. A folder stores multiple files and folders in it. If a folder having another folder in it, that is known as a subfolder, and the main folder which having the multiple files and folder, that is known as root folder is there. There are some common types of the files are here. File type is text file, then is the extension will be .txt. MS Word files, that is extension doc, and Windows 7 or Windows 10, that is having the .docx. Executable files extension is .exe. Audio files .mp3 or .wav. Audio files, sorry, it's a video files mp4.avi. Image of pictures file, that is the jpg, png and .gf. Now we will discuss how can we create a folder in our computer system. First we go to the location. If you are going to the desktop, want to be create your folder, just right click to there and click on new. After there is a sub menu will be opened, that is another option is there. Click on the folder, then a folder will be appear on your screen. After that you give the name of your folder. Next is how can we open a file or folder. Just select your file or folder and open it. When you double click or single click on your file or folder, then it will be open. If it is not will be open, then you just right click on your file or folder and there is an option open, then you can be open is there. Next, how can we rename a file or folder. Just select your file or folder, right click on that and there is an option is a rename. When you click on the rename, then it will be highlighted in the blue color. After that you can be change your name of the file or folder. Next is how can we delete a file or folder. If you want to be delete any kind of the file or folder, just select your file or folder and press the delete key with the help of keyboard. Otherwise you can go to the file and folder and right click on there. After there sub menu will be appear. In this sub menu a delete option will be there. You just delete it. When you delete your file or folder, it goes to your recycle bin. Next is how can we select multiple files or folders. Just go to the location of your file and folder where you have to be select your file and folders and press shift key and select your multiple files with the help of your mouse. After that you can be select your file or folders easily. Next is how can we restore the deleted files or folder. Just go to the recycle bin. After that you select your file or folder from there and click on that particular file or folder. After that when you right click on there your file and folder, a sub menu will be appear. You can see in this picture. Just click on the restore option, then exact location where you have to be delete previously your file or folder. After that clicking on the restore, it will be goes the particular location or that file or folder. Next is how can we copy or move our file or folder. As you know, copy means the one copy you having the data file or folder and the same copy you want to be the file or folder. And moving means how can you move or paste your file or folder. Just select your file or folder which you want to be copy or move, then right click on there. After that a sub menu will be appear like in this picture. Just select your copy and go to the location, desired location where you want to be paste your file and just click on the right click there and then paste. Otherwise, select your file and you just use Control C, that is in a shortcut key of your file, copy any kind of the content, then go to the desired location and use shortcut key Control plus V. So easily can you copy or moving your file and folder. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel.